And inspect that fact. Inspect. That fact. Inspect.
Oh God, no. Hello, ladies.
You are a failure of a human!
Bow down, haters.
This is your daddy.
It's the truth. I did heal my bird. Okay.
Just a little bit more spicy. Fire you up.
I like the looks of that sour cream and guacamole.
She didn't even wait for an answer. Using has everything going on. Wait for an answer.
I had a little spell over the weekend. The reason why I didn't live stream this weekend, previous weekends, because I was in the emergency room. But I'm doing better now.
It's spicy as hell, dude.
You don't know too spicy.
They are. Trust me. Jalapeno peppers. I just noticed.
Oh shit. Strawberry milkshake's pretty good.
How's the steak this time?
Not as good as the sirloin, but only because it's ribeye and it's got fat on it. But overall, for a ribeye, it's pretty damn good for a ribeye. Macaroni and cheese is good again. I just wish it had big pieces of bacon like it did before.
These onion rings are so damn good.
Another sip of my shake. That's what I was just talking to my friend about. That there's a YouTuber, you know, close to my circles that never really know of each other, but not really mention each other. I was telling him about it. I don't understand how he could be so stupid to be caught on it by being exposed by text message that he's been exposed before. Then to go even further, to continue doing this stuff, to even get so far to trying to meet up with a kid, not good. We all got our demons and stuff like that, but that's very bad. He's just lucky he's just lucky that he ain't gonna be no criminal. He's not facing no charges because it wasn't the cops that exposed him. He didn't go as far. He's lucky that his reputation on YouTube is the only thing is ruined. And that ain't really ruining his life.
You serious?
You get paid a lot of money for having that many subscribers.
Yeah. And you were seeing a paycheck from YouTube with that many views and subscribers.
He's missing that shit.
And like I said, what's really amazing, what everybody's amazing is he's not blocking people. He's not disabling his comments like, you think someone would. The only thing he's done is made a video saying he's going to delete soon. He's going to delete all his videos on his YouTube channel. I don't see why. Why? Just delete your whole channel. He's like thinking people, might want to save a video or two of his. But
the more people that find out about that, he's done.
Just like that one dude said in that video I showed you, there's always going to be this select few that's going to be like, I can't believe it. And there's going to be even some few that's really rebel against it, that don't want to believe it. If it was just like the previous time, just where text messages and stuff, but he could possibly say, "Oh, these are photoshopped, never happened." But this was a legitimate YouTube channel or some sort of website that actually baited him, and he actually met up with the forehand that he was meeting up with a 13-year-old. God.
You caught red-handed on video, you can't explain your way out of it. There's no explaining it.
Most people, that does that phosphorus stuff. Oh, I just come here to meet her up with her to tell her not to do this kind of thing. Yeah, right.
Yeah, right.
That's what
they're all going to say when they're caught.
You want to tell her not to do something like that. You tell her on the text and say, you don't need to be meeting people like this. You don't need to see her in person.
Even if you, let's just say, even if you did have good intentions, meeting her in person is going to send the wrong message.
Yeah, it's just two signals. You're sending two signals. You're proving it by meeting up with her, and then you're lying, of course, that you're proving meeting it up with it, and then you try to tell her no, not to do this stuff. No, that's just what they say when they are caught. I was just going to tell her not to do this. You shouldn't do this. Yeah, right. I'm just glad no one was actually hurt, traumatized from the situation, and maybe he'll open his eyes and maybe seek some help.
People that actually physically cross the line like that.
Yeah.
I don't think there's no helping people like that. Because they're constantly going to be thinking about it. Thinking about, well, I got away with it this time. Maybe next time I will.
Well, no, he didn't actually get away with it. Maybe this right here. He didn't.
But I'm saying he got away with it as far as criminal charges go.
Maybe this also might give him a time to be shocked and terrified. The next time he might think, well, maybe this time he'll be a cop.
Thank you.
Maybe this time it would actually be a police sting. Talking about it now is done. It's done disgusted me. Now I can't even eat anymore.
Why would this other guy that's exposing people, why would he film it and then let them go without calling the authorities?
They can't. They can only say he came up here with intentions. You can't be arrested for intentions. And as much as
they were doing that shit on To Catch a Predator, and that's the same shit.
Well, that's, like I said, that's a cop's thing. That's cops. It has to be legitimate cops, and guess what? Those things don't really get you long in prison. That's a slap in the wrist to them. The only thing that does is expose them. If they're not on the record, they are going to be on the record for being watched out for. That's the only thing good that comes out of that. If they someone goes false for it that hasn't been exposed for some sort of tensions like that before.
If you're just exposing them on YouTube, that's not really. Yeah, it's going to hurt your.
I'm talking about the cops.
Yeah, I'm just talking about what he's doing.
Yeah,
if you're just exposing him on YouTube. He's good. He's still going to be able to run free in his personal life and do it.
I'm just hoping that it scares the shit out of him, where he don't do this shit anymore.
To me, if it just says to me, it just will make him smarter the next time he tries to do it. What they tell me.
I used to be, where I see a stop sign, And I'd be like so anxious. I didn't want to stop for it until I seen one time I was gonna get a ticket for it. I ain't doing that shit again. I'm scared. I don't want to pay for no damn ticket. I sure as hell don't want to. If I don't want to pay for the ticket, I sure as hell don't want to go to no jail.
Hello, ladies.
Not a fun place to be, I tell you that.
How much is it?
It's just higher than last time.
Really? It better not be. If it is, holy shit! Did I really say I was gonna take care of the check this time?
You did?
Oh, damn! I really should have. How about we do that? I take care. You give me. I take care of what we ate at Firehouse Subs earlier, and you take care of this one. That sounds good.
Hey, I paid almost that the last time.
Difference is $52.62.
I'll tell you what. I'm gonna go out and smoke. You can go ahead and keep streaming.
I'm done. I'm pretty much done. I'm just gonna finish this. Let's just shake off. Hold on.
You still gotta pay the bill anyway. I'm going out and smoke. Oh shit.
My straw stopped up. I'm not really sure. I'm actually contemplating downloading Warzone again. I'm contemplating re-downloading that again. Because I'm done with DOA. I done installed it. Tired of waiting for fighters. Not enough people playing that game anymore. I've done beaten Last of Us 2. I'm just trying to upload the remaining videos. I got 3 videos remaining, 2. And oh yeah, by the way, I've already had this done. It's already, it's been a while. It's been done a long time ago. But check my achievements. I know that previous stream or video that I made, y'all puppets were saying y'all assumed I sold my my copy of Demon Souls. No, I have not sold it, of course. I allowed it to appear in that video or that stream purposely. Now, go ahead and go check my achievements. You'll find that the first boss has been beat. I don't think I got my trophies set to private. Check and see if my trophies, see if they're on private. If my trophy's set on private, I didn't mean it to have it that way. I'll fix it later. Because I honestly, I thought my trophies was visible. Well, anyways, I'm not a liar.
Wrong.
Well, going in the stream now. Gotta go now.